What if I told you one ingredient could replace every cleaner in your house? Well, stick around. I have a story for you. Hi, everyone. I'm Andrea with Reliable Beauty Reviews, and today I'm going to put beauty aside and share with you a remarkable cleaning product that Godly Granny has created. It's a one ingredient cleaning product that cleans everything, and it is called Granny 1000 Plus. This product cleans more than 1,000 things in your home, and I have got a story for you. I did not expect to do this video in all honesty, but when I cleaned a very tough stain in my house, I decided I have got to share this story with everybody. So here goes. A few days ago, I woke up and I had a terrible scratch on my arm. I must have scratched myself in my sleep, and there is the scratch to prove it. And I thought nothing of it because this happens every now and then. And so I came downstairs to watch television, and I started to rest my arm on the couch. Now here's a picture of my couch, and all of a sudden after the TV show, I lifted up my arm and I noticed blood stains. Apparently my cut had opened up. Well, I panicked. I didn't know what to do, but what did I do? I immediately thought, oh, let's go to the Godly Granny product and see how to clean out the tough stain. Of all stains, it's one of the worst stains to get rid of. So this product will tell you how to get rid of large stains on the actual container. But if you go to the website, it'll tell you how to get rid of smaller stains. So all you need is a scoop of this with warm water, make a paste out of it, and then try to take out the stain. Well, that's what I did. And within minutes, look at the difference. The couch is now stain-free. Honestly, I never expected this to happen. You know, when you get a tough stain on a couch like that, you may have to call in professionals, or you may have to get rid of the couch totally. And that was something that I was hoping would not happen. So thank God, this product is amazing. It not only cleans couches, but it cleans carpets, it cleans curtains, it cleans grout, tubs, tile, grimy baking sheets, garbage cans, lawn furniture, tools, ropes, etc. There's so many things that it cleans. What I love about it is there's no smell. There are no fumes that come out of here when you're cleaning. When you open the lid, there's definitely no smell either. It is pet safe, it is child safe, and that's another thing that everybody appreciates. So I know I'm going to be replacing all of my cleaners with this right here. It definitely does the job. As you can see, if it's going to get out blood stains, it's going to get out chocolate, it's going to get out wine stains, it's going to get out the toughest stains you can possibly think of. Check it out on the Godly Granny website. I would highly recommend it. Like I said, this was not something I expected to do in a video. I'm very happy to see that Godly Granny is creating some household products. They just finished creating a laundry detergent. That's wonderful. That makes your clothes nice and clean and fresh, and there's very little ingredients in there as well. And they also just created a dishwashing liquid, which is also amazing with Castile soap in it. So check out the new household items on Godly Granny's website. You're going to be very impressed. I know I was. So thank you for watching. I'm Andrea with Reliable Beauty Reviews, and I'll see you next time.